What did I buy at the grocery store? I'm so glad you asked. So I buy 5 bags of these baby spinach, 5 bags of the power greens, 5 bags of the baby kale, and of course bananas. Those are the basis of my smoothies. So I'll use the spinach, power greens, and baby kale in my smoothie in the morning. My husband likes these Heritage Flakes. They're a little bit too much salt for me. He also likes these bars, which is basically, it's just fruit. Same thing here for these coconut chocolate date bars. So they just contain almond butter, coconut, unsweetened chocolate, and cocoa powder. Some tomatoes, grapes. We both love grapes. And oranges. So got there. And my Honey Crisp, I just love those. And then these tri-colored bell peppers. We use those a lot in baked beans. And then romaine, we love that. It's just a crispy, hearty lettuce. And then this organic riced cauliflower. I use this in the smoothie just so I can get some of the sulforaphane. And this is great to add to soups and anything else you want to add a little bit more nutrients to. Some red onions. The more color that you can get, in anything, be it potatoes or onions, the more color you can get, the better it's going to be. Watermelon, oh my God. This to me just says summer. And so I love to have a little bit of summer before we go into winter. These are Trader Joe's English peas. And if you've never had English peas, oh my God, I can eat them like M&Ms. They're so delicious. And then some minta bones for the dog, some broccoli florets, and I'll put those in the freezer and I'll add them, a couple of florets to my smoothie in the morning. These are, the whole package will go of the wild blueberries will go into our smoothies. Now that's for 2 people. And then my husband particularly likes this almond beverage milk, but to me, I'd rather go for something a little bit more simpler, like the 3 almond tree. So anyway, that's my haul at Trader Joe's tonight.